Good morning. Thanks, Zach, for that. I really don't want to make a long speech because I see you guys all sitting out in the hot sun. So it must be pretty hot there. But thank you for the invitation for this morning. As you know, sport is very much part and parcel of our culture in Fiji, whether it's at international level or domestic level, even at the provincial or district level. And of course, all sports is very important also. And it does bring people together, it does bring communities together. In this particular case, of course, you've got the men's netball over here that's been organized together with all the, what we call mixed netball. And it's great that your associations put this together. And I'd like to wish the association all the best for that and with that. One of the points that I do want to say about sporting events is that at a district level, at a community level, it brings everybody together. It's very important for us to be able to understand that level of friendship, camaraderie that's critical for us to be able to function as a society. Of course, we should take this opportunity at this point in time to also remember those people who recently suffered in the floods. Some people, of course, up the valley were affected. I was recently there a few weeks ago. Many of the farms and subsistence crops, etc., were damaged 90 to 100%. So let's think about them and see how we can also help them. I have a very small little donation for your association too. I told a few friends of mine in Suva that I was going across for this opening, and I asked them if they wanted to contribute. So a few of them, give a few dollars and cents here and there, and I'd like to make that contribution to your association later on after we finish. But all the best to all the teams. All the best to all the teams, and may the best team win. But remember that winning is not everything. Naka, thank you.